is a really good angle. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a Sunday day in my life. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm currently in my dorm. This is the headboard that I talked about. Like, this is crazy. I moved in here about like 9 weeks ago, 10 weeks ago. Literally, it's felt like it's been years, but it's been only like 10 weeks. So I'm a little sick, if we can't tell by my voice, but we're getting over it. That's gonna be part of today. We're also going to be cleaning. Like, it's just kind of like the Sunday get your ish together. If you guys have ever watched like Kayla Nicholson or something, she likes to do the gist days, so that's kind of what today is going to be, like a gist day. I got a lot to do today, so I thought I'd take you guys with me. I thought it'd be fun. I love watching these videos, and I'm really hoping to produce some more college content soon. I'm kind of hoping to get a vlog camera. We'll see, we're working on that. Yeah, but if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below if you're new, and let's get right on into the video.
Check it.
Yesterday, or this weekend, was parents' weekend, but my parents just came for yesterday because we live so close and there isn't a ton to do today. So they dropped off a ton and all of my fall clothes. Right now in my closet, they like won't fit, so that's a problem. Here's the current stitch. I've got like some stuff I need to put away. These are literally metallic leggings, yes. These are outerwear things that I need to hang up. Whoops. There's my Barber, love that. I need to like probably take a shelf out. I don't know how that's gonna work, to put all my sweaters in, or maybe I'll move my shorts, and then literally, like, y'all, I don't have like maybe room for like 2 more tops. Like, that's crazy. So I need to figure this all out. Here is the update. Basically, I have like this much space, which is good because 1, extra space is good, but 2, I like have a full thing of laundry to do, so like obviously that's gonna fill up some of that. My boots are kind of a mess, but I just kind of threw some stuff down there. I shifted this around. I'm probably gonna put some more stuff here, but this is so big that it's such a waste of space to hang. I have all of my sweaters here. These ones are just like ones that aren't really sweaters, but like they don't wrinkle that easily. And then this is the current solution for this. Like, are you kidding me? Like, literally an over the door hook on my bed with my tank tops for going out. So that's that. Right now it is 1:56, so I think I'm gonna go to the library right now with my friend Nina, and I think we're just gonna get some studying done because obviously we have the whole week ahead of us, so we need to get some like work done. Right now we're walking to Clem, or Clemens Library. Is that the official name? Oh, yeah. We call it Clem here at the University of Virginia because we're cool like that. We're walking, usually crowded.
Is this legit?
Kind of, not really.
Making it just right. That'd be fun. You can make like little snippets of all your friends and.
I have so many friends. Ooh, statue. Library time, let's grind. Yes. So right now I'm just planning out my week and kind of what it's gonna look like. So actually, you know how I told you guys about like that planner that I bought? So I may have rediscovered on fall break my other planner at home, which is this one. It's just from like Marshalls or something. I bought it this summer because I'm really not into Google Calendar, or at least I said I was. Here's my Google Calendar at the moment. It's all pulled up. This is kind of what my system is at the moment. I have this planner. I love the way it's divided. It has the whole week here, but then this is like the tasks for the week. Here, I even this is like notes. I broke down like how I'm gonna study for sociology. So I went through each unit, like when to do it, whatever, who to contact, plan, whatever. And then I go through and I say here, like the marker, or not the marker, the pen is like the things happening, like definitely 100%, and the pencil is like here's what I'm gonna do for that day, how I'm gonna study, like stuff like that. So I don't know, that's kind of the system at the moment. And then on my computer I just have like different like my actual assignments. So like I don't write those down in this planner. I haven't really done the monthly. I'm kind of transitioning that all onto here. Whenever I have stuff like that in my planner, I get like crazy stressed out because I'm like, oh my god, this is so much stuff. But on the Google Calendar it's a little bit better. So that's currently my system. I really want to film a video on it, but to be honest, like I don't feel set in it so much yet, so I don't want to like share with you guys like my tips and tricks until like I figure out what the heck I'm doing. I consider myself, like when it comes to school and stuff, a really organized person, and college has just really thrown me for a loop. Your girl's been struggling a bit with the organization. It's okay. We're working on it, but yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I like to kind of plan on my weekend Sundays just to kind of get a grip on my life and pretend like I got my ish together. Y'all, this night has taken a turn for the interesting. It is currently 7:16. I'm Ubering to urgent care because my ear, I cannot hear out of my left ear. It hurts so bad. I took a nap, I woke up, it still hurts, so we're going to urgent care. It closes at 8 p.m. I have my keys with my insurance card. I have no idea what I'm doing. And I have a bag of Cheez-Its because I haven't had dinner, so.